In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect a broker to TradingView. By the end, you'll have your TradingView chart linked to your brokerage account so you can place trades and manage positions directly from TradingView. First, open TradingView. If you're using a browser, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account. If you're using the desktop app, launch it and make sure you're logged in. You should see the main dashboard with your watch list and navigation at the top. Now open any chart. Click Chart at the top, or select a symbol from your watch list to load its chart. Wait for the chart to finish loading so all panels are visible. You'll be working from this chart window for the rest of the setup. At the bottom of the screen, click Trading Panel. This tab sits alongside other bottom panels like Strategy Tester and Pine Editor. If the bottom area is minimized, expand it by clicking the small arrow or dragging the panel up so the Trading Panel tab is visible. Click it once to open the broker connection area. From here, select your broker from the list. You'll see a grid of supported brokers and trading services. Scroll to find your broker's name or use the search bar if it's available in your version. Click the exact broker you use. This ensures TradingView connects to the correct login page and permissions for your account. Next, click Connect. You'll find the Connect button after you select your broker. Click it once, then give it a moment. Here, TradingView will open a secure login window or redirect you to your broker's authentication page inside the panel. You might see your broker's branding and a request to sign in. Log in and authorize. In the broker login window, carefully enter your credentials. If your broker uses two-factor authentication, complete that verification. Then review the authorization screen and confirm that you allow TradingView to connect to your account. This permission lets TradingView read account information and send orders from the chart. Only proceed if the page clearly shows your broker's official domain. Do not display or read out your password on screen while recording or sharing. When you're ready, click Authorize or Allow to finish. Once that's done, wait for TradingView to confirm the connection. You should see your broker's name and a connected status in the trading panel. In many cases, your account balance, buying power, and open positions will appear in this panel. If TradingView prompts you to select an account or confirm settings, follow the on-screen instructions provided by your broker within this same panel. At this point, your broker is connected to TradingView. You can verify the connection by looking for the broker badge or status indicator at the bottom of the chart. If you see your account information and a place order ticket or trade buttons on the chart, the connection is active. If the panel still shows a loading spinner, give it a few more seconds to finalize. If you're asked to re-enter credentials, complete the same secure login and authorization flow again. Now, return your focus to the chart. You can keep the trading panel open to monitor account details while you analyze price action, or collapse the panel to maximize chart space. The connection will stay active during your session. If you later sign out of TradingView or your broker times out for security, just revisit the trading panel and click Connect again to reauthorize. That's it. You opened TradingView, opened a chart, clicked the trading panel, selected your broker, clicked Connect, and completed the broker login and authorization. Your TradingView to broker connection is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.